Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Shikha and I'm a legal intern at Lexis & Company. I'm a law student from UPS Dehradun. In today's video, we will talk about assignment of copyright under the Copyrights Act of 1957. But before starting the video, there's a small disclaimer that this video does not solicit any kind of promotion or advertisement as per the guidelines of Bar Council of India, and the only purpose for which the video is made is educational purpose. We will begin with the video now. The copyright is a type of intellectual property right which is granted to the owner of an intellectual property such as a book, a movie, a poem, etc. These intellectual property rights are exclusive rights in nature which are only granted to the owner of such copyright and exclude any other person from using or exploiting that right. But according to the Copyrights Act section 14, it states that the copyright is an exclusive right to do or authorized to do, which means that the owner of the copyright can also authorize other person to use or enjoy the exclusive right which is granted to him or her. This can be done through assignment of copyright or licensing of copyright. In this video, we will only deal with assignment of copyright. So what does assignment of copyright means? Assignment of copyright basically means that the owner of the copyright can transfer his right to other person. In this assignment of the copyright, not only the right transfer but the ownership of right transfer to the person upon whom the assignment is made. Under section 18 of the Copyright Act, it is said that the owner of a copyright can assign his rights to other person. It also states that the copyright can be assigned in existing work or any future prospective work. But the assignment in case of future prospective work will only come into force when the work come into force. Assignment can be done wholly or partially. That means that under section 14 of the Act, there are many rights such as right to adaptation, right to communication to public, etc. So assignment can be made regarding all the rights which are stated under section 14 of the Copyrights Act, or with regard to only one right. For example, the owner of the copyright can assign right to communication to public to a person and can retain all the rights to himself, or he can also assign all the rights to the person. So the right which is granted or assigned to the person, that person shall be the owner of only that right which is assigned to him, and not with regard to the other rights which are withheld or with the owner of the copyright. Section 18 also states that the copyright can be done for a whole term or part of the term. It means that under section 19 of the Act, it states that when there is no term for assignment provided, then the term shall be 5 years. So in whole, so the assignment can be done for the whole term. It can mean that it can be done for the whole 5 years, or it can be done for years lesser than that also. The assignment can also be done with regard to the mode of exploitation. Assignment of the copyright can be done generally, that is without laying any condition, or it can also be done while laying certain limitations. For example, with respect to the mode of exploitation, the contract may contain a term that it may extend to any future mode of exploitation which was not in the current commercial use during when the assignment was made. Section 19 of the Copyrights Act states the mode of assignment. It states that the assignment contract is only valid when it is in writing form and is signed by both the assignee as well as the assigner, or their respective authorized agents. The section also states that the terms like what rights are assigned, duration during which the assignment is made, the territorial extent of such assignment, uh, the right to receive royalty and what royalty is to be received, the revision or termination of contract, etc. terms which are mutually agreed between the parties. The section also lays down that the assignment in a work which is contrary to the terms and condition of copyright society to which the agent is member, then such assignment shall be void. The section also lays down the right to receive royalty upon the copyright owner, so this cannot be waived off. Further, we will discuss what is the difference between assignment and licensing. In assignment basically the ownership of the right is transferred to the assignee, while in licensing only that specific right to do certain thing is given to the licensee and not the whole ownership of right is transferred upon him. For example, an owner of the copyright may assign right to communication to public to certain person, and he can he can license a right like right to adaptation the book in Marathi language to a person B, and also to person C he can license the right to adapt the book or the book in the different language, for example in Urdu language. So here, as we can see that the same right, that is right to adaptation of the book, is transferred upon two persons. So in licensing, this can be done because the ownership is not transferred upon the licensee, while in the assignment the ownership is transferred. So the same right cannot be transferred to two persons, while in licensing same right can be transferred to multiple persons, like right to adaptation in different languages. So that's it for today's video. If you have any doubt or if you have any feedback, please write it down in the comment section below. Thank you so much.